trading became much clearer for me when I stopped trying to catch every move. I used to enter right here. But what made the biggest difference was learning to wait. To wait for the moment where the market actually becomes clear. And very often that happens when price returns to a level. The breakout gets attention, but the retest shows intention. Let's take a look at a simple example. So we can see that price is breaking below this level, and then it returns back into this area. And from there, we can see the move continue. So this is where I used to enter. The breakout looks really strong. The momentum is there, and it feels like the move is just underway, like it has gone without you. But this is often where the entry really just isn't as clear as it seems. You don't know if price is going to continue or if it's going to just zip back up after it goes down. It might just be wicking an area. So what we do instead is wait for clear structure. We are waiting for the market to show its intention. We're waiting for the market to show its hand. And that's when we enter. Also, a few of you have asked about how I'm using Tradovate and would like an introduction to the platform. So I put together a simple walkthrough, and I'm going to be sharing that in this week's free newsletter that comes out on Sunday. So the link is in the description if you'd like to take a look. So here again, price is breaking a level. And what we're doing is noticing the reaction that's going to form at the level before the move continues. One of the most common things that I see is entering right after the breakout. And while this can work sometimes, it often leads to less clear entries. It's just not as structured and not as clear. And in my opinion, it's less probable. Waiting for the retest doesn't guarantee anything, but it does provide some more structure and give us some more information before we make the decision to enter. So we're looking for our setup, and this is what we would like to see. All right, so we can go ahead and mark out our 5-minute supply zone. So we'll use our tool to create supply here. All right, we'll mark that as 5-minute supply. Okay, and then we just have to wait for price to enter the zone. And so now we've entered the zone, and our next candle is an engulfing candle, which is a pretty good sell signal. That's pretty good. You could enter here and take price to the downside. And then we notice that price gives us another opportunity to enter the trade. So if we missed that first opportunity with the engulfing candle, then we could enter here. We have a 3-bar reversal. We have our first bar at 10:45, our second at 10:50, and our third at 10:55. And so after we have spotted it, we can go ahead and enter into the trade. We put our stop loss above the high, and we would continue into the next area of support. We know that price is drawn to these wicks, so we could remove some here. We could remove some at this next area, this next little wick here. And then we could also plan to remove some maybe down in here. So we know that this wick might be another target. And this is pretty long, so we might want to shoot for just the center of it. All right, and then we can see that price does continue on down. And so we're training our eyes, we're training ourselves to see this signal, this 3-bar reversal signal. If this way of looking at the market resonates with you, then consider subscribing. Trade mindfully.